This is the image of our universe today, which W Map has produced. The colors indicate tiny differences in temperature. If Hawking is right, the universe started right when the universe was the size of an atom. This picture is like a massive projection of what was going on at the beginning of everything. The universe was uneven or fuzzy at the start, and that unevenness has evolved into the different parts of the universe we see today.
It hurts when he looks dead. Doesn't feel very good.
Because there's more matter here. A galaxy's going to form here, and we're going to live here. And there'll be nearly empty space here. By studying the properties of fluctuations, we can learn about the fundamental fluctuations in the very old universe that gave rise to it. And
Nobody's got food to eat up.
Galaxies would never have formed.
Just that one little bit.
Explosion of
I
time
don't like it.
and space would not have done the
You
job.
don't like it.
It is the roughness of the moment of creation that gave rise to matter and galaxies. As Hawking suspected, we live because of the imperfections of creation.
Good boy.
Hey,
Hawking is forging ahead
Jonas.
for a theory of everything. Today,
To the pillow. That's your couch.
Racing
To the pillow.
alongside you. Incredible experiments are now being built in outer space and deep underground, which will try and probe deeper
right to
into
be
the
there.
very moment of creation. There is excitement in the